Good morning guys, at least it is where I am, in Victoria. No, not the one in Australia, the one that's on Gozo in Malta. And today we are going to go and have a look at the Cittadel, which is not too far from here. It was once a Roman city and was later on used as a fortress. And I'm told the views are spectacular. So we shall go and have a look. And here's a model of the city, guys. Pretty sure that's Pope John Paul II. I think that's what that says. I'm not sure about this one. Guys, cannons down there to defend the fort. Apparently some of this dates back to the Roman times. It's worth doing this just for the scenery, it's unbelievable. Not recommended. Definitely not recommended if you're not good with heights. But an amazing view. I didn't mention it, guys, this is Victoria, Gozo. Hello.
Hi.
You alright?
Yeah, you too?
Yeah, good, thanks. Looks like they had to protect the fortress at some point. City walls, guys, city walls. Just there. Apparently this was the hospital. Oh, does it go any further? No, it's a dead end. Or is it? It's like the bells, guys. The bells. Hell's bells. Bells. Hell's bells. Ah, looks like a dead end. Apparently this was the first hospital, Gozo's first hospital. I don't know if you can see that there. Gozo's first hospital. There you go. $1453. St. Barbara Chapel. These buildings are small military buildings, or they were. What's this? The small doorway. Oh, this was the doorway to the gatekeepers that probably had access to the drawbridge outside the main gate. I'm going to guess once upon a time these were buildings. Not that I'm any expert on anything, but that's what I reckon. Looks like a chapel of some kind. St. Joseph's Chapel, there you go. Well guys, that concludes my super quick tour of the Citadel in Victoria, Gozo, Malta. I hope you enjoyed it guys. Cheers.